Hello guys, welcome to Agility Digest. This is Agility of Agility Digest. I know this is your first time of seeing my face, Agility, and this time around I am coming with top-notch tutorial, top-notch ideas that can give you money in 2023. So if you've not subscribed to Agility Digest, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. So today I'm going to be carrying you along three strategies you can use to make a lot of money in 2023 and live the life of your dreams. So sit tight and watch this video till the end. Do not go nowhere. Look for a comfortable position, sit tight and watch this video to the end, and don't forget, kindly drop comments in the comment section so that I will know what you feel about this video. If you are doing the things that I've been teaching you lately, if you've been practicing them, if you've been gaining anything from them, kindly drop your comment in the comment section, and do not forget to share this. Do not forget to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Thank you guys. So watch this video. If you've not subscribed, subscribe to Agility Digest and drop me like and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. All right guys, watch this video to the end and drop your comment in the comment section. Bye. All right, so welcome to Agility Digest tutorials. Here I teach people how to make money through simple betting, techniques that you can use to make money online. I talk about arbitrage betting, I talk about affiliate programs, I talk about affiliate marketing, I talk about a whole lot of things. So today I've not posted videos lately, and that's why I decided to bring you this top-notch videos that will help you gear up your speed in 2023 from this February that is coming to an end. Before the end of February, if you apply the things that I'm going to show you, you will know what you might have achieved before the ending of February, and before this year runs half, believe me, you would have achieved a whole lot of things. So first in my list here is 1xBet affiliate program. 1xBet affiliate program is a program that pays you. Okay, let's go through the commissions. Let's go through the commissions. Let's see what commissions they have here so that we can continue with this tutorial. So 1xBet is a betting company, and they have a partnership program that you run, a partnership program, and they pay you every Tuesday as long as you have people who register through you. You understand? So you can get up to 40% commission. So all you do is you register, you fill your details here, you register on 1xBet, and then you start working. That's all you do here. So fill the details correctly, and then an affiliate manager will contact you, and you will start making money from 1xBet. It's as simple as that. The only thing you need is your unique URL. You don't even need a website. Just like every other betting company, they require you having a website, but here it's optional. 1xBet has made it easy for anyone who wants to join their program, so that you can join them and make a whole lot of money. I've actually made a lot of money from 1xBet. Let me close this and show you my partners app. You can see my partners app here, so that you can see how much I have made so far. Yeah, you can see here, you can see $115 I've earned total. So that's how it is. So it's a very big amount of money. If you make this amount every Tuesday, believe me, you know how much you'll be getting. So this is 1xBet. You can do it. There is nothing deep, there is no big deal there. So to register 1xBet partners program, there is a link I've left in the description below. You can use that link to register on 1xBet partners program, and you start making money. You don't just make money as a punter, you are making money as an agent, as a partner. So if you still want to upgrade to 1xBet agent, there is still that option that you upgrade to an agent. You make withdrawals, you pay punters, you fund for punters. There is also that offer also. So one other thing that I'm going to recommend is arbitrage betting. This arbitrage guy, I've taught you guys a lot of arbitrage betting strategies, though so many persons have always come out to say one or two things about the arbitrage games that I've taught here. But believe me, if you apply the strategies that I've talked about, you are going to make good money. The last but not the least is affiliate programs. Now, you might be wondering, how do you get affiliate programs? How do you get programs that you can sign up affiliates with and make money? And how much commissions can you get from them? Now, this is OfferVote. Search for offervote.com on your browser. Search offervote.com on your browser, and then you will find a whole lot of affiliates. If you look here, you are going to see affiliates and how much they are going to pay you. And if you look, you'll be seeing different countries, wherever they are in different countries. So all this you are seeing here are affiliate programs. So you can easily click on any of them, check if it's available in your location. This one I open now is for mobile offers. Then this is affiliate networks. Let's touch affiliate network. Let's see what happens. Now, this is affiliate networks. Now, this affiliate network, if you check these Terra leads, they say they have 546 offers available. So when you apply for this, let me touch it. Now look at all the offers they have. This is Viral Blue Mainstream Straight Sale is $75. That's the commission. Then it's available in 4 countries. Let's see. Okay, these are the 4 countries. It is FR should be France, ES should be Spain, that is Spain, DE should be Denmark, IT should be Italy. Those are the countries that it is available in. Then we keep working. So that's how you get affiliate programs. If you're thinking of how to get affiliate, you might be hearing affiliate, how are you going to get it? So you can use OfferVotes to get, without wasting your time, without distressing yourself a lot. You just use OfferVotes to get affiliate programs that you can work on and make a lot of money. So this is pay per call offers. Let's see if there is no result on pay per call offers. So let's look at mobile. We've checked this before. It was available. Probably this might be network issues that is hanging it now. So guys, you can make a whole lot of money in this. So if you're looking for a way to find affiliate programs that you can make money from, you can make money from this OfferVotes. They have a whole lot of affiliate programs that you can benefit from. So that's that about that. So do have a blissful day ahead. If you've not subscribed to Agility Digest, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. Thank you guys, and do have a blissful